Okay, time to put this nice, fresh, brand new grip on. In order to do that, we gotta take the old one off. And how we do that, they're just rubber. You can use a X-Acto knife, but this is a better tool. It's called a hook blade. These are the original grips, and they are dry rotted. Sometimes if original grips are just dirty, you can clean them up. But in this case, it's very slick, very hard. It's lost all its elasticity. So there's the old one. You can kind of see the difference here. Out with the old. You do have to get this tape off, this adhesive tape. It's pretty nasty. In order to do that, I'm going to use a heat gun on the low setting. And that'll just warm up the adhesive and make it a lot easier to get off. Next up, get rid of the adhesive. Clean the shaft. Hit it with the steel wool. Get some of that off, or residual off of there. And then we do need to clean that goo gone. If you don't get the residue off of there, the adhesive might not stick, so I'm going to hit it with a little bit of water. Last few steps, you need grip tape, which is double-sided and adhesive activated, or solvent activated. You need solvent, and then a good eye, because I'm gonna have to line this up. The way these grips work is you have to line it up with the lie angle and loft of the club. So I'll sort of set that in the vise first, get that all ready to go. And away we go. Activate that. Drip tray is just there so you don't mess up your counter. Pull a little bit down. Slowly head over the edge. I'm going to line my grip up here so as I push it forward, it's pretty well already there. That looks perfect, actually. I'm getting better at this as I go. So I can show you that. Down the line. That stripe should be lined up with the face of the club. That's it for the club restoration for today. Got it all cleaned up. Got the grip on there. It'll cure in about 15 minutes and be ready to play. It's been fun putting this little vintage bag together for some fun outings. And hopefully I can hit these little blades. And it's been Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. I'll see you next time.